What's going on, guys? And for today I am going to show you how you can set up your Twilio account. Twilio is a powerful cloud communication platform that empowers developers to integrate voice, messaging, video, and email capabilities into their applications. With its user-friendly APIs, Twilio enables businesses to enhance customer engagement and streamline communication, making it a go-to solution for innovative and scalable communication needs. So to set up a new account, we need to sign up for a new one. So go to twilio.com, and once in here, click on Start for Free. So here you need to provide your first name and your last name, your email address, and you need to create a password. Now after this, you can scroll down a little bit and click on the tick box right here and click on Continue. Now after that, you will receive a verification email from the one that you registered. So let's go to our email address. And here, just copy the verification code. So after that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now here, you need to input your mobile number. So I will just write down my number and click on Send Code via SMS. So once you receive your code on your SMS, you can type it down in this box and click on Verify. Now after that, click on Continue. And here you are going to be redirected to your dashboard. Now here you are going to personalize your onboarding, so you can describe which describes you best. So for example, let's just say here self-employed. Click on Next and just go through this prompt. Now here you can choose what you want to build with Twilio. So you can use it with code, minimal code, with no code at all, or you can also have third-party integration. Now for this one, let's go ahead with no code at all. And here choose the option that you want to build with Twilio, whether it's for verification, notification, marketing, customer care, or something else. You have your option here. Now for this video, let's just choose marketing and click on Next. And here you can choose which channel you are most active in. So it's SMS, voice, WhatsApp, or email. But after you choose one from here, you can always add one later. So for this one, let's choose email and let's click on Let's Go. Now here is your dashboard. So here you have your verifications, also your notifications, marketing, customer care, and also a custom tab for you. And right on your left side, you will have develop and monitor. So with develop here, this is the place where you can create a tool for your engagement in social platforms. So you have here phone numbers, verification, or for verification, you have your messaging, you also have your video, flex conversions, and marketplace. And for the monitor tab, this is where you can see and monitor your activities and also some of your insights. So that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can set up your account in Twilio. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.